Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2013 Hyundai ix35. So basically from any screen, if you click nav there, that brings up the menu screen. If you just want it on map, if you just want to see what's coming up ahead, the map switch is there, but nav there. So you've got address, last destinations and address book, points of interest and parking. So we want address. Down here you've got city, country, postcode. We'll click postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. It's defaulted to numbers straight away, so that's good. 54JS. PR54JS. So even though you've just typed it in, you've got to touch that, and you can now put a house number in, which we haven't got a number, but that's it. And then it's gone to another screen, and you've got start there or new search. So we click start. And start again.
Starting route guidance.
So it's got like a safety catch, start. You've got to press start twice. Anyway, it's a good system. It's simple enough to use. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Hyundai ix35. So any screen, you've got the cog symbol there, the menu. We'll click the menu. You've got Bluetooth. View, easy for me to say, view Bluetooth device list, search for Bluetooth devices, external devices, change passkey. So we want to view Bluetooth device list, and you'll see there it's come up with my phone showing. Mine's the only one in it at the moment, and there's a dustbin next to it. So we click that. Do you really want to delete? Again, a safety catch so you don't do it wrong, and that's it gone. If we go back into view, there's no devices. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Hyundai ix35. The first thing that we need to do is make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. Over to the audio system, map, nav, and then there's a cog here, which is, if you press that, or a cog symbol, and you've got Bluetooth. View Bluetooth device list, search for Bluetooth devices. So we click search. And then, as I say, we're watching out at the bottom here, searching for a maximum of 8 Bluetooth devices, and it's come up with my phone there. So Barry's iPhone, we click on that and just wait. Key 0000. So we have to put that in here. Click pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, and it's connected. Bluetooth authorization successful. So that's how you do that. Now, it also has another a great feature. It has Bluetooth audio streaming, which is great. All your music on your phone, as soon as you get in it, so long as you've got the right button clicked, it will stream audio from your phone through the speakers in the car. So we'll go to iTunes. Well, we would do if we press the right one. So we'll go to iTunes there. You see at the bottom ix35. There you go. There's a tick next to ix35, which means anything that this phone plays, any music, whether it be Spotify, YouTube, the audio will come through the speakers in here if you've got it set correctly. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to turn my phone down, and I'm going to control the audio, the volume from my phone. Then we go over to media, click the media button, and it's come onto Bluetooth straight away, mainly because you'd probably have a choice. You might have to click media a couple of times if you had anything plugged into auxiliary or the USB down here. So here it's playing. I'll turn it up on the radio, and then there you go, that's it playing. Thanks for watching.